Ray fam, we are at the Seismic Dance Event in Austin, Texas. We're going to do a full venue tour of the entire venue, take a walkthrough, see all the stages, see all the vendors, see everything. Immediately just walked in. This is a stage, but we're gonna start on this side of the venue first. So as soon as you walk in, you're greeted by the lovely Seismic sign, perfect photo opportunity. And now we're going to check out the vendors. So we got some coffee, juice, harm reduction, a little general store, medical. Lockers are also this way. And if you don't know, Seismic is a house and techno festival in the lovely Austin, Texas. Austin, Texas is my hometown. I was born, bred, and fed in this beautiful city. Bathrooms over here. These are GA bathrooms. So we got some different types of food. I did have the bowl joint first night. All right, first up, we got the frequency stage. This is where I spend a lot of my time. Here, a few places to just sit and hang out. There's lots of photo ops and lots of cool art. So you'll see as you're walking around, like from some Friday on, there's been artists here working on all of their art. It's very beautiful. This is just a little pathway, but we're gonna go this way. This is main stage. This is the tsunami stage. These are so fun. We have little seesaws right here. And it's empty because it's like 3 in the afternoon. Or I guess it's 3:30 now. But by nighttime, this whole thing is filled up. From the tsunami stage. If we look back, we have a VIP section. We're gonna keep going this way. This is where the other food section is. Lots of little benches, some food trucks. And this is a stage, I think it's called The Secret, but you have to come all the way around. And it's a little container. Okay, right now they're having yoga, but normally this is a stage, and the DJ is right here. Okay. So this is the very back end of the festival. So from the food trucks, we got restrooms. The techno bus is a stage, so let's go into it. And beatbox beverages. The techno bus is really small and it obviously only holds a certain amount of people. So the line for the techno bus, I waited in it in an hour last night and it was like all the way down here to the back. But techno bus is a good time. I'll show you really quick. the techno bus. Super fun. So now we've seen 4 stages. A seltzer stand, vodka seltzer. Okay, so this is the main stage VIP section, and then we also have a VIP lounge. So this is the only day I got VIP, so I can actually go in these today. But I'm doing a separate video on GA versus VIP, so that'll be separate. And then straight ahead, just some little shops, more bathrooms. So this place is stocked with bathrooms. A little photo op at night. This is where a lot of the shufflers come and shuffle. Because as you can see, the ground is all dusty. So be prepared for that. This is the only water station I've seen. I don't know if VIP has their own, but this is the only one. But this is a very small, cute festival, so there's never been any issue, even though this is the only one. All right, so now I'll show you exactly like where we are in relation to the tsunami stage. We're gonna go into the inside stage, and that's called Volcano. So VIP has their own entrance there. But for the sake of this video, I'll go in through the regular side. Now, where we're walking through this path right here, the line, there gets a line to be able to go into the volcano stage, and it is crazy. So like right now, the line to get in, I mean, right now there's not, but at night where I'm walking, this is where the line, it was all the way towards the back, almost to the VIP lounge. And the merch tent, it's been pretty stacked with people. The first night, this was full every single time I walked by. Last night when I came through at Saturday night around like I think 10 maybe, there wasn't a line, but so just be mindful of that. So you see these gates right here that go in and out. This is the line that builds here to go inside. Obviously it's not busy right now, so we can go right in, but these fill up and the line goes way back. So we're gonna go inside to the volcano stage, which is the concourse project on a regular basis. Oh my god, it feels so good in here. Walking tour of the Concourse Project, home of Seismic Dance Event in Austin, Texas. Thank you guys for watching. So after this, we got a vlog coming up, a VIP versus GA breakdown, and then of course a